Hey there! Looking for the best 140mm fan for your PC setup? Well, you're in luck. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, we understand the value of your PC investment. That's why we've carefully selected the 5 top 140mm fans to help you enhance your setup. Stick around to find the perfect fit for your needs.
We're happy to say that today we're announcing our ML Pro RGB series fans, bringing RGB lighting and great performance to your system. Combining magnetic levitation technology and vivid RGB lighting creates a stunning combination of performance and style. The ML series uses a magnetic levitation bearing, which physically levitates the fan rotor away from the fan housing. This dramatically reduces friction within the fan. This allows the ML series to deliver outstanding static pressure, great airflow, and low noise levels. Each fan features 4 individually controlled RGB LEDs built right into the center fan hub for an awesome show of light and color. PWM control allows you to adjust your fan speed, letting you minimize noise or maximize cooling. When paired with the Corsair Commander Pro, you can completely stop your fans at low temperatures, eliminating fan noise entirely. The ML Pro RGB series of fans is completely customizable. Using Corsair Link, you can access a wide array of pre-configured lighting profiles and then customize them to suit your build. If you want to take your customization a step further, the ML Pro RGB series fans feature replaceable corner caps, available in a range of colors. ML Pro RGB fans are available in a 3-fan 120mm pack, a 2-fan 140mm pack, or individually available as expansions to the kits. Whichever size you choose, ML Pro RGB series fans look fantastic and deliver great airflow to your next build. To find out more, check out Corsair.com.
Let's start with the core competence of our new Silent Wings 4 series, namely the performance and the loudness, which have always been our specialty on the market. Whether 120 or 140mm, high speed with or without PWM, the feedback from the community and our customers showed that our Silent Wings were always very popular in the purchase recommendations for fans of silence. Therefore, the development team here has concentrated on increasing the performance even further for the new generation. Thanks to the newly developed fan blades, the Silent Wings 4 enable the highest possible performance, especially on radiators and heat sinks. The fans come with 7 fan blades in the 140mm version and 9 in the 120mm version. So the variants that delivered the best performance and loudness values were chosen. What they have in common is the adjusted angle of the fan blades and the significantly larger fan hub here in the middle that creates a new visual impression. Of course, this is also due to the fact that the funnel-shaped inlet from the previous generation has given way to a funnel-shaped outlet on the back. But let's dig deeper. The distance between the fan blades and the frame has reduced compared to the Silent Wings 3. This is crucial because the blades cover the biggest distance on the outer area of the fan, so they offer the most performance increase in this area. And as I said before, the focus is on performance. However, under the premise that the fans are at least as quiet as the Silent Wings 3. And after several years of development, we have succeeded in doing just that. We achieve more performance at the same noise level than the predecessor, which means we have both increased air pressure and increased airflow. But don't worry, you still have the flexibility to use them as a silent case fan. In addition to the many new features, there are still notable features such as the 6-pole motor, which ensures minimal vibrations with lower energy consumption, and the fluid dynamic bearing, or FDB, is still incredibly quiet and enables a sustainable long lifespan. In addition, the interchangeable anti-vibration mountings on all 4 corners of our Silent Wings 4 further reduce disruptive movements and noise. Although, strictly speaking, the corners are known in terms of the idea, but the implementation is completely new. The switch from the push pin to the screwed solution is now tool-free. And in addition, the different sides of the anti-vibration corners can now be distinguished much better. The Silent Wings Pro 4 models come with a third set of fan corners that have been specially optimized for radiators. These corners, combined with the angular design, ensure less turbulence, in particular when high air pressure is required. They seal off the unused areas of the radiators to redirect the air even better. These technological wonders are even more focused on performance. Thanks to our innovative speed switch on the back of the fan, you can now decide between medium speed, high speed and ultra high speed for maximum performance or minimum operating noise. The switch caps the maximum speed at 100% PWM, making the fan a multi-talent that can be included in any subsequent system, no matter the requirements. But there is one thing that I need to clarify. With the fan running at 3000 RPM, the operation is no longer whisper quiet and is rather loud compared to operation at 1600 RPM. However, we decided to give you a choice depending on your desired area of application, because our developers have optimized this fan to such an extent that we're among the quietest in the respective performance classes. So the competition in this ultra high speed segment has to praise itself for a relatively quiet newcomer. Let's conclude. The Silent Wings 4 are a consistent new development in the Silent Wings 4 series. As 120 and 140 millimeters, with these many options, they offer a wide range of possible uses adapting to your needs. If you want to be optimally prepared for the future, or you need the last bit of performance for your premium high-performance build, the top-of-the-line Silent Wings Pro 4 is exactly the right companion for you, which are as quiet as the Silent Wings 4 in terms of quietness under the condition of same rotational speed. So my conclusion is high-performing, quiet, durable and flexible in use. This is the characterization of our new Silent Wings 4 series, and we are sure that you'll be well satisfied with them.
Our new LL RGB series fans come in both 120 and 140 millimeter and have been engineered to produce vivid RGB lighting, quiet, low noise operation, and great airflow. Now in the past, we've had fans with LEDs around the perimeter, and we've had fans with LEDs in the hub. But the LL series has both. These dual light loops contain 16 vibrant RGB LEDs, all covered by a diffuse opaque material. This unlocks an insane amount of potential for lighting effects that have been made available to you via Corsair Link, with classic presets like Rainbow Wave, Color Shift, and Visor. But we've also added some new additions. My personal favorite is Pong. With the included Lighting Node Pro and Corsair Link, you can get really creative with all of the lighting effects across your build, and sync it with any Corsair compatible component. The LL fans are designed to be seen and not heard. With PWM control, you can tune speeds for the perfect balance of performance and noise. We've engineered these fans to provide awesome lighting effects without sacrificing performance. They're gonna look amazing in any build you do. To find out more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.